ओकस भाई अब तो एआई मूवीज में भी यूज हो रहा है बेटा। एआई तो मूवीज में 1990s से हो रहा है, बताता हूँ। इन द 1990s पीटर जैक्सन वाज इन द अर्ली स्टेजेस ऑफ मेकिंग लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स एंड ही न्यू दैट ही वांटेड टुवर्ड्स द एंड अ मैसिव बैटल सीन वेयर देयर वर टेंस एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ आर्मीज फाइटिंग एंड killing each other, and he wanted it to look extremely realistic. Now for you to do stuff like this in movies, a lot of filmmakers in the early stages used to use something known as matte painting. Issue with this technique was you cannot recreate battle scenes because in a battle scene tens and thousands of people are actually fighting and moving uniquely. So Peter Jackson collaborated with Beta Digital and created something known as Massive, multiple agent simulation system in virtual environment. अब Massive एक VFX tool था that had the ability to create up to 200,000 unique agents. Each of these agents were given an AI brain with the help of something known as fuzzy logic. अब fuzzy logic क्या है ये समझाने में तो रात बीत जाएगी, पर ये समझ लो कि it was really good at mimicking what a human being would move like. And because of all this, the team could create these organic layered shots that could mimic an actual battlefield. और यही टेक्निक अब Avengers Endgame, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Avatar सारी मूवीज में यूज होती है।